Hello, everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can allow other people to share your posts and your story to their stories in the Instagram app. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments after watching this video, and also put your likes. So friends, let's get started. And first of all, open the Instagram app. After that, you will need to go to your profile. Next, click on the three bars in the top right corner. Then Settings and Privacy. And here you'll need to scroll down a little bit until you find the Account Privacy subsection. And this is where you'll need to disable account privacy. Yes, friends, in order for you to be able to share your stories posts with other people, you need to first disable the private account, because if you have a private account, that it's closed, then unfortunately, you won't be able to do that. So, if you have it enabled here, you just one tap on the button to disable the private account. Next, you go back to the settings. Scroll down a little bit more, find Share and Remix. And this is where you'll find the Share Posts and Reel and Stories section. And you need to have this section active as well. If you have it turned off, like I do now, just click the button next to it to activate it. And after such actions, friends, all people will be able to share your, for example, posts and reels and stories, which, in turn, will increase your page views, your post views, increase your likes, and your Instagram reach. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful to you, and you saw how you can allow people to share your posts to their stories. Subscribe to our channel, don't forget to write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.